Check out this little waterfall here at Sliding Rock. It is rolling, baby.
Wow.
We came off some of the craziest, curviest roads you've ever seen.